Hey everyone, this is Steven with Digital Marketing in a Flash, coming to you with yet another video. If you've ever struggled to discover content and/or to figure out keywords to use inside of your blog and/or your website, I have a secret for you. A website that I use on a daily basis to help generate content for my blogs. The site is Answer the Public. The site is really easy and intuitive to use. All you would do is type in a keyword you want to use as far as content and/or keywords. Type in your keyword, hit search, and Answer the Public generates questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, and related content to whatever keyword that you're searching. So it spits out a lot of good information that you can use, like I said, in your blog and/or your website. But what's really cool about this site is it also gives a downloadable CSV, so the information that you collected is in an easy to digest format. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.